So yeah, according to that display board, this building's occupant goes to floor 10, so... Well, I have to say, first it's going to be floor 10, so I guess that's whack. So yeah, these are not new, they've been in operation for a while, and I'm pretty the building's not finished yet, but it's got tenants, so I guess that's nice. Yeah, ground. Oh wow, that's actually a nice lift. Yeah, 10's open. Yeah, this lift's it's kind of just your standard 3300. No, actually 5500 to be honest. Capacity 1,000 kg, 7 persons. Here we have 10. We will not get out because obviously there's like offices. What an interesting lift, to be honest. Yeah, it's also brand new as well, so that's nice. But yeah, I'm pretty on the first elevator enthusiast to take it to look at these lifts since it's like running since November 2021. But yeah, let's watch it go. And yeah, for those that you've seen like the last channel, this was actually a focus on an old building and used to have old modernized special but now they're gone. And that is the platform lift, I suspect. Yeah, just a bicycle platform with no finishing system there, and that's it.